In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Instagram to your Facebook page in less than 5 minutes. Now, why is this important? The first advantage of doing this is the fact that you can cross-post easily. What does that mean? You don't need to post 2 times. You don't need to post on Instagram and then go to Facebook and post. You can automatically post one thing on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. The second advantage is that you can now use your Facebook ad account or your Meta Ads Manager to run ads on both Facebook and Instagram at the same time if you have linked both of them. So this is very, very important. And I'm going to be going straight to my Instagram account to show you how you can link your Instagram to your Facebook business page. Now let's get started. This is a brand new Instagram account and I'll be using it to show you how you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Now this thing only works with Instagram professional accounts, professional or business accounts. Now on Instagram we have 3 different kinds of accounts. There's the personal account, there's creator account, and there's professional account. Once you create a new account, automatically it is set at default to be a personal account. You're the one that will switch it to either a creator account or a professional or business account. Do you understand? So now once we're going to go through this process, you will see that I will need to switch this to a professional account first before I can do what I want to do. Now once you open your profile, you need to click on edit profile. That's what you click on, and then you get to a page like this. Now under gender, you can see switch to professional account. Like I said earlier, the account newly created is a personal account. Once you create it, it's a personal account. Now normally what I'm supposed to see under gender is page. That's the page that is connected to this account, but because this is a personal account, I am seeing switch to professional account, and that's what I must do first before I can see page. So if you're seeing this too, it means you need to switch. It means you're either a personal or creator account. So you're going to click on that switch to professional account first before you can do any other thing. So I'm going to click on it, click on continue, 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 and continue. They're going to ask me for the type of business this is. I will select digital creator, select the one that suits what you are selling on Instagram, and then I'll click on continue. To take a few seconds, and then it's going to create my professional account for me. Now this is it. I can choose to be either a creator or a business. I choose creator, click on OK, click on OK, and that's it. Your account is created. Your professional account is created. You can see that now what we're seeing up here is professional dashboard. This is where you can check what is happening on your account, how many people you've reached, how many people have interacted with your account, and lots more. Now we're going to click on that edit profile again, and you can see that it has changed from switch to page. Can you see that it has changed from switch to professional account to page? So we click on that page, you're going to see connect or create a Facebook page. Now you have 2 options to either connect or create a Facebook page. You're going to click on continue, because that's what exactly we want to do in this video. So we can see connect to Facebook. You're going to click on login to Facebook. Make sure on the phone you're using there's a Facebook account that is logged in there. That makes everything simple and fast. If there's no Facebook account, you would have to put in your login details. So I'm going to click on login to Facebook, and it's going to take a few seconds, and now it has shown me all my Facebook pages, all the Facebook pages that I either own or manage. Now the only Facebook page I can select to connect this account to are pages that are not already connected to any Instagram account. I cannot connect one page to 2 different Instagram accounts. Do you understand? So the only ones that are available for me to tick are the ones that are not connected already. Now if you don't have a Facebook page, you can scroll to the bottom. When you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see create a new Facebook page. If you want to create a new Facebook page that you will use to connect, you don't want to connect any of your old pages, or you don't have any page. So when you click on it, they will ask you to put the name, the category, a few other things, and then you can click on create, and it automatically will create a new Facebook page that will be connected to this Instagram account. But I already have a Facebook page, so I'm going to go back and pick one of my pages and click on connect. So I'll select this one and click on connect, and it takes a few seconds and it will be connected to my Instagram account. Now you can see the notification that says your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. If we go back and refresh this page and come back here, we're going to see that it is connected. Let's do that. Click on edit profile again, scroll up, and you see page. That's the name of the page that I connected. You can see that it's no more showing me connect or create. It is now showing me the name of the page that I just connected. This works really fast. Took me less than 5 minutes, and it can take you less than 5 minutes to connect your page to Instagram. Now you can use Instagram tools, you can use the ads, you can use the Facebook shop, you can use, you can cross post from one page to another without stress. Now here's a little trick I'm going to add for those that watch till the end. You know that sometimes when you try to create a Facebook page, Facebook will tell you have created too many pages, right? And this is another way you can deal with that issue. I have a video on my channel where I told you one of the ways you can deal with the issue. This is another way. You can create a new you can create a new Instagram account, and then come to click on connect or create, and click on create. Follow the process that we saw there, the page name, the page category, the description, and click on create, and automatically it does not give an issue. The page is created instantly. Do you see that? So you can use this method to be creating Facebook pages if creating through the Facebook app is not working for you. So that's a bonus for those who watch videos till the end. So you can see that this worked really fast for us. And if you want to learn how to sell on Instagram, market, make more sales, grow your business on Instagram, check the video you're going to be seeing on the screen right now, and make sure you watch that video. It's going to teach you a lot about Instagram marketing. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.